In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect Mailchimp with Webflow using Make.com. This will streamline your process and allow you to manage your digital marketing campaigns and web content more efficiently. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Make.com and sign up if you haven't already. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll find yourself in your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It might seem a bit complex at first, but I'll guide you through it to make sure everything is crystal clear. With your dashboard in front of you, your next move will be to click on the option to create a new scenario. This is where you set up the automation that will connect your services. Keep in mind that setting up a new scenario might take a little while, so be patient and let the system do its thing. Once everything is ready, look for the plus button. This is your gateway to adding various tools and services that you wish to connect. Type in Mailchimp in the search bar after clicking the plus button. Once you see Mailchimp, go ahead and click it to add it to your scenario. For this scenario, you'll want to select the option that says Watch Campaigns. This means you're telling the system to keep an eye on your Mailchimp campaigns to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. But we're not just working with Mailchimp today. We also want to integrate Webflow, so let's continue by clicking the plus sign again. This time, you'll type in Webflow. Once it appears in your search results, click it to add it to your workflow. After you've added Webflow, select List Sites. This will allow you to access your list of sites within Webflow, which is crucial for seamless integration with your Mailchimp campaigns. By now, you should see both Mailchimp and Webflow on your scenario setup screen. You're getting closer to connecting these two powerful tools. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled More. Clicking this will expand your options, and from there, select Templates. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll be able to see a vast array of options that can help streamline your workflows. Try typing Mailchimp into the search bar here. This will filter the templates to show only the ones relevant to Mailchimp. You'll discover various pre-configured templates that you can either use as they are for immediate setup, or if you have specific needs, customize them further to better fit your strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and connected Mailchimp with Webflow on Make.com, paving the way for more efficient and effective campaign management. Keep exploring the templates and options available to further enhance your workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating.